Welcome back to Cooking with Hua. Today, I'll be making strawberry cupcakes. To start, I'll be making the strawberry puree. I have 2 cups of fresh strawberries. Frozen strawberries can be used instead of fresh strawberries, along with half a cup of sugar. On low to medium heat, you want to combine the strawberries and sugar. Now, the strawberry should release its own natural liquid, and then the sugar should dissolve. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Make sure it is completely cool before you strain the strawberry puree. If you have a food processor, I would suggest to process the strawberry puree and then strain it for a thicker consistency. This can be made up to 5 days ahead of time, stored in the refrigerator. Next, let's get started on the cupcake batter. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour along with baking powder, and I'll be using 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder along with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And the salt is just going to bring out the flavor in the cupcake, along with 1/4 teaspoon of the baking soda. Now you want to sift all the dry ingredients together into the mixing bowl. Now I have little helpers today, so if you see little hands, I have my 2 little nieces. They absolutely love to help me bake, so please don't mind them if you see extra little hands. I have 1/4 cup of sugar along with 1 stick of unsalted room temperature butter. Add in the unsalted room temperature butter to all the dry ingredients and the 1/4 cup of sugar. I have 3 small eggs. If you have large eggs, you can just use 2 large eggs instead. And then you just want to combine everything into the mixing bowl. I'm not going to be using the creamy method at all. And then add in 1.5 tablespoon of milk along with 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now I got a little bit distracted. The milk and the vanilla extract, save that to the end. So I ended up adding it beforehand because I was distracted by my nieces. So that's also 1/3 cup of the strawberry puree. You want to mix everything together for about a whole minute until everything combines. And this is when you add in the milk with the vanilla extract for about another 30 seconds. Make sure your oven's preheated at 350 degrees and bake for about 18 to 20 minutes. To make the strawberry American buttercream frosting, I'm going to be using 1/2 cup of salted butter at room temperature. And I'm going to whip it until it's a bit pale. And then I'm going to sift in 2 cups of confectionate sugar right into the mixing bowl. I added in 2 tablespoons of the strawberry puree, and it's going to make your buttercream frosting super delicious. And I also ended up adding in 2 tablespoons of 1/2 and 1/2. If you don't have 1/2 and 1/2, you can just go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of milk. But start off with 1, whip it to see if you need to add in an additional. The strawberry American buttercream frosting should not be gritty or grainy. It should be fluffy and smooth and delicious. Make sure the cupcakes are completely cool before you pipe any type of frosting on top. Typically, for strawberry cupcakes, you want to decorate it with fresh strawberries. However, my little helpers wanted sprinkles, so instead of topping them with strawberries, we topped them with some sprinkles. I really hope you enjoy my strawberry cupcakes with sprinkle toppings instead of strawberries. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.